Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add Instagram Reels to Snapchat Story. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on the Reels category at the bottom of your screen. Now at the right hand corner of the Reels, you can see a send button. Tap on it. Now at the bottom, you can see various options. You can share this reel too. And if you swipe towards the end, you'll see the option of Snapchat. Simply tap on it. Now over here, tap on the option of open. Now over here, you'll see the option of attach URL to Snap or send URL to chat. So we are going to choose the first option. Something like this will appear on your screen. Now you have to take a snap of this. Then you have to add it to your story. So your Snapchat friends would have to tap on the link, and with that, they will be able to see that reel on Instagram. So if you tap on the paperclip icon at the right hand corner, you will be led to this page. Now over here you can see that I have been led to Instagram's page where the reel is shown. So that's how your friends will able to see the reels if you add it to your story. Or else what you can do is you can open Instagram and screen record the reel you want to share. You can tap on screen recording button, record the reel and then share it to your Snapchat story. So that's how you can add Instagram reels to your Snapchat story. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.